This is a seawall inspection conducted by SeaMeDive for Green Coastal Engineering on the 16th of November 2020. Looking at the tongue and groove pre-stressed panel wall with a poured in place and cap and an additional concrete block retaining wall that was built at the back side of the cap. At the prior inspection to this video, some cracks in the cap, horizontal cracks, were observed, and some small areas of leaking down the T-piles. There's no footer on the seawall. The seawall does show a little bit of a bowing on the mid to north section of the seawall, which is far away from us right now because we are at the south side, and we'll show that slight bowing. Other than that, the seawall appears to be stable. There's no major erosion at the base of the wall, and some weep holes were installed. They're not significant or sufficient, and the rest will be shown in the video. Starting the video from the south side of the property, direction of travel will be northwards. with vertical and horizontal diagonal tracks on the mid to upper section of panel, as shown in the video. And here there's some cap damage. It relates to this where the davit is, and then the retaining wall ends, and it's right above the heat hall. We have 2.5 more panels to go. This is the northmost point of the property. The general condition of the seawall, at least the current on the inspection, is it's in fair condition. There is some work, some stabilizing possible to do here. And this concludes our inspection. Again, this inspection was conducted by SeaMeDive for Green Coastal Engineering on November 16th, 2020. Thank you.